Hi guys, this is Adnaan Ahmed. You are watching Technoxity. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the all new OnePlus Z. So it's also called as OnePlus Z, but then this phone is going to be launched in India real soon. So we are going to talk about the launch date, price point, camera specifications, build quality, display, and the processor. So make sure you watch this video completely because this is really interesting, and this phone is targeted for the mid-range, so the higher mid-range mostly. And guys, the launch date here is leaked as July, or more specifically July 10th, or just the July month. So this phone can be launched anytime in July, and this phone will compete in the price section of rupees 20,000 to 25,000, and I'm expecting this one to be around 22,000 so that it can just give a competition to its competitors, that is Realme X3, the Redmi 10X, and the OnePlus Z itself. So guys, these three phones are in the same price section, but then let's see on what price point OnePlus Z is launched in India. And guys, talking about the launch, it is going to be launched in India first and then go to the Western countries. So it's also an important point there. OnePlus is targeting India here, and let's talk about the next point. And guys, if OnePlus Z is launched around 20 to 22,000, Xiaomi and Realme will have a tough competition, and they'll also have a lot of other phones planned. That is, OnePlus has a lot of other phones planned, and they might launch them as well. So guys, this is going to be really beneficial for users because they are going to get a lot of options to purchase in this price section, particularly that is 20 to 25,000. So I'm expecting it to be a little bit lesser because then the competition might be even more stronger. So talking about the camera, guys, it has a triple camera setup, that is 64 plus 16 plus 2 megapixel AI triple camera and a 16 megapixel selfie camera with a punch hole display, and it's going to be in the center as in the Redmi devices, that the latest Redmi devices. And the display, talking about the display, guys, it is an OLED display with 90 Hertz refresh rate. So if you compare this with the Redmi 10X that's already launched, it has an OLED display, and this one also has an OLED display. The point here is the display in the Redmi 10X is 60 Hertz, and the OnePlus Z has a 90 Hertz display. So that's going to be a plus point for users to purchase this phone. So let me just check out what's the next point. And guys, talking about the processor, so here the OnePlus has the Snapdragon 765G, that is a 5G processor, and obviously the device is going to be a 5G mobile, and you guys can do a good gaming, and for general users this performance is top notch. And talking about the build quality, guys, I am worried about this point because to just do the cost cutting, they might reduce the build quality, and if they don't and they release it around 20,000, then there is no competition to this device, and this will be the top one mobile phone in this price section, that is 20 to 25,000. And as I told you before, I am expecting it to be around 22,000 to have a tougher competition for its competitors. And guys, there are three mobile phones in this section: Realme X3, Realme 10X, and the OnePlus Z. Which one do you think is the best? And let me know in the comment section. And guys, if OnePlus Z is launched around 20,000, are you guys going to purchase that? And that's it. Leave a comment about that, and like this video, share it with your friends. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.